there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittney Bundles, and today's video is going to be kind of like a catch-up video, just letting you know what's been going on in my life with my business, and pretty much, like I said, just what's going on. So we're going to jump right into the video. If you are interested, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get right into the video. So I do want to start off this video with thanking everyone for 7,000 subscribers. I really do appreciate it. I'm going to be doing another video about that later on, and I'm also going to be doing a Q&A video. So if you do have any questions for me, personal questions or business questions, be sure to leave them down below, or go to the community tab where I created a post just asking for different questions so that I can create an updated Q&A video. And leave your questions there, or email me at btalks@yahoo.com. Typically with the personal questions I get, and I say personal, they're questions that I get aren't too personal, but they may be like, well, how is the move going? Because a lot of you that have been following my channel know that I'm in the process of moving. They may ask some business questions and different, just different things. But typically, like I said, I go over non-business related information on my Patreon platform. So click the link down below this video if you are interested. Enjoy my Patreon for inspirational and motivational content, as well as girl talk videos. But then, this is also an opportunity for me to answer different questions, a combination of business and personal, on YouTube too. So if you think of any questions, leave them down below. But I just wanted to give you all an update. So I am in the process of moving. What has happened since I last got on this platform is I'm closer to finalizing the sale on my home. I have moved a lot of stuff from my house, and I still have a few more things to move. Currently, I'm in a hotel. I'm in an extended stay hotel, and I will be here for about 2 weeks. I'm still running my online business. The way that I'm doing that is I have help, like I did last time I went on vacation. So I have someone that is the same person. They're actually packaging my hair for me and sending the hair out. We do like a FaceTime call to make sure that everything is up to standard and everything is right. And I'm doing my consultations in the hotel. I actually just got off a meeting with Shopify. I'm so excited. Not Shopify, but Shopify's affiliates. Pretty much I was asked to share my opinions on Shopify, and it was a Shopify interview type of thing. So it wasn't Shopify directly, but it was someone that Shopify works with that was able to reach out and get my opinions and kind of hear my journey through Shopify. So how I got started and how I love Shopify, and what are the challenges and what are some of the benefits, and some of the things that we talk about right here on this channel. So I just got done doing that, and I was super excited to even, I was honored to even be asked to do that and also be compensated for it. So I've been working on that. I just got done with that. I'm still working on my project, but I have not been working on the project as much as I would like to work on the project, just because it's been so much happening with moving. I only have a little bit more to move. Where I'm going to be living at, I am looking at a few office spaces online. Online. I've Googled a couple places, and I'm looking at a couple office spaces because I am going to be staying in an apartment for about a year. And although I have an idea of how I want to create my office in my apartment, I'm still thinking of getting an office space outside of the home, just so that I can have more space and more quiet time, especially with the children going back to school. They're going to be able to go back to school here. So that's something that, they're excited about, and I'm willing to give a try. So I'm just looking at a couple different office spaces and trying to figure out how I really want to grow my business here. Although it's online, I still want to put together a game plan. I do need to have my P.O. box switched over. So instead of me using the P.O. box that I have in Michigan, I'm going to keep that still for until I'm completely transitioned. But I am also going to go probably next week or the week after that. So this week or the week after, the following week, go down and get a P.O. box for my business here where I'm going to be staying. I'm trying to think of what else I need to do. Outside of that, what I'm going to be doing going forward is I'm going to plan out different content. Now, before I was doing different vlogs, but it's a little bit difficult to do the vlogs here because I don't know my way around here. And although I was thinking of just taking my phone and my camera, I was just considering taking the phone with me and vlogging. So I do have a little bit of footage, not much. I do have footage of me getting my toes done, so I'll just insert it right here. But I've been loving it so far down here. I've got my toes done. As you can see, I recently got my hair braided. Now I don't know how I feel about the braids because I have not had braids in so long, but I went into a African braiding shop and it literally took 2 hours and I didn't have to make an appointment ahead of time. I literally walked in and I got my hair braided. So this is what my hair looks like. I have not been wearing it like this, but I tried to find some kind of professional style to put it in so that I could do the Shopify interview that I just did. So typically I've been wearing it straight back with like some braids on the side. I'll show you. I've been wearing it like, ooh, let me show you. I've been wearing it. Okay, so like this. Ooh, I don't think that's even something like this. That's how I've been wearing it. But yeah, so I have not had braids in years. I really haven't, but I really like these braids. I just wish that I got a different color because I'm not liking, I mean, I don't know, it's not horrible, but I just don't like these colors on me. I wish I would have got a different color. I really do. I don't even know where I put my rubber band now. I also got my toes done. I wanted to get my toes done before I got my nails done because if you've been following this channel, then you know that I take my nails pretty serious. I mean, not too serious, but you know, I do like my nails done a certain way. So I can't even find a rubber band, so it's just gonna stay like this right now. But I don't hate my braids. I do like them a lot. I just wish that I got them in a different color because sometimes the color is a little too much for me. Sometimes it's not. It just depends on my mood. But next time when I go to get it touched up, I think I'm going to get them all one color. That's what I'm going to do. And I did go get my toes done, like I mentioned. I enjoyed it. It was really clean, the place that I went to, and they did a great job on my toes. Let me see if I can show you all. I'm going to show you. I've never really shown my feet on camera, but let me show you. Okay, I have not put lotion on my feet since this morning, so please, you know, ignore if you see anything ashy or anything, but they did a really, really good job. And normally I don't even show my feet, but I just wanted you to see. So good job. So I'm trying to think what else I want to say. Okay, and I am going to go back and get my nails done. I have not got my nails done again because I was just skeptical about getting my nails done here. I was thinking like, okay, when I go back home, because I'm going back home soon to get the rest of my stuff. So when I go back home, I'm thinking like, I'll just get my nails done there. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go back to the shop that did my toes because I saw some other nails that they did and they did a really good job, and I'm going to get my nails done there too. Don't know about any designs yet, but I am going to get my nails done. And let's see, what else am I planning on doing? What else have I been doing? I've been sightseeing. I've been eating at a lot of different restaurants. I love the food down here. I love the hospitality. I love how it looks. I am going to possibly do an apartment tour. Possibly. Just depends on how I feel and, you know, what my gut's saying. But yeah, I've really been enjoying myself down here. My children have been enjoying themselves. We found a church home that I really enjoy going to. And that's about it. The only thing that is really, really uncomfortable right now is staying in this extended stay hotel. The hotel that we were staying at before, it was a suite. So it had, you know, it was one big room, but you know how a suite is, but it was divided. So the kids kind of had their space and I had my space, but this room is together. But it was the only room that was available that had a stove. And I just didn't want to buy fast food every single night for 2 weeks. I thought it would be more cost effective to get a place with a stove and, you know, like a extended stay place. So that's what I did. But that's about it. So we're going to be here, like I said, for about another 2 weeks. And then we're going to go ahead and move into our apartment and yeah, just start getting settled in here. I will be sharing with you all my journey as far as getting my business set up and situated here, because there is still, there are still steps that you have to take when you are moving, even an online business, like I said, the P.O. box change and setting up your new office space and being able to kind of get into the groove of things, finding out how far the post office is from you, which post office you want to use, which post office you don't, where all the printing supplies are. If I run out of ink, can I still go to the UPS store like I could in Michigan and just get a few labels printed out? Do they have the same program that we had in Michigan where I can kind of pay ahead for a couple prints? So just kind of figuring out different things, and then also figuring out how comfortable I am having my inventory shipped to my apartment, because for so long I had my inventory shipped to my house and I really didn't have to worry about anyone grabbing my package or going through the package or getting my package in error. But when I was staying in apartments, I do remember that's something I worried about. I worried about someone, getting my package by mistake, and so I would have my packages delivered to the office. So I'm just going to have to kind of figure out how I want everything done. If I want my packages delivered to my P.O. box and then we run out to my P.O. box and grab my inventory every time. And, and there are still some places that I have shipped hair to and they tell me in their order, don't ship to this post office, or if you can, please don't ship to this post office, which I really don't have control as to which post office, I'm shipping to. If you put your address in, that's pretty much all I do. But I have had people that stated that because certain post office, they said they've had experiences with, theft. So I'm just going to have to figure out and get in the feel for how everything is working around me so that my business keeps moving forward. But everything is pretty much going well. I've been staying on top of videos. I've still been working on my project when I can. But like I said, it's just been so much going on right now, especially like I said, with moving and having everything in this one room. Yeah, I'm excited to see what this new journey has in store for me and keep you all updated. So I just wanted to pop in. Thank you all for 7K subscribers. I am going to be doing another in-depth video about that, and then also doing a Q&A video. So just wanted to say hi again. If you have any video suggestions or any questions that you want me to cover in my Q&A video, leave them down below. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.